Hey, does this sound familiar?
No, we don't prototype. No, your design isn't ready for prime time. No, you need a complete documentation package.
Then you need the people who say yes, because there's only one PEKO. We're the people who will turn your product vision into product reality. You've evolved your concept, done the research, discovered the potential. You have a great idea and technology ready to be turned into reality. But your engineering resources and manufacturing group are limited, and you don't have millions for capital expenditure. When you approach other contract manufacturers and fab shops, their capabilities are too narrow. It's time to talk to PEKO, the one contract manufacturer to count on when there's too much at stake. We offer a one-company solution to take your project through the entire commercialization process, working closely with you every step of the way, from innovation to preparation to replication, starting with onboarding and product handover. Your design probably needs some treatment before it's ready, so our NPI engineers offer expertise in dozens of pre-production aspects. Validating your bill of materials, verifying component detail print manufacturability, functional and regulatory requirements, design engineering, and prototype builds. In our preparation phase, we gear up for full-scale production with NPI and manufacturing teams collaborating with your experts on high-end manufacturing documentation. And we keep moving ahead with production readiness reviews, program management team selection, supply chain setup, technician training, capacity planning, and more. Then it's production go time. You've made the sales, your engineering team is confident in the technology, and your customers are eagerly anticipating their machinery, equipment, or assemblies. While you're busy making all that happen, we've created customized assembly cells and manufacturing plans. Components are being made in our enormous in-house CNC machine, sheet metal fab, and electrical shops. Test procedures have been written. Quality plans are documented. We've trained our entire team, and your orders and forecasts are in-house so we can scale up or down on demand. Soon, orders are shipping at your goal pace. All of your hard work has finally come to fruition, and your product is hitting the market to rave reviews. And it all evolved from innovation to preparation to replication thanks to you and PEKO. Because when there's too much at stake, there's only one PEKO.